Good morning! Nandito na kami sa Melbourne. And ipapark namin yung sasakyan dito. Welcome to Melbourne, buddy. And maglalakad kami. Maglalakad-lakad. Pupunta daw sila sa market. Pupunta kami sa market. And, kasi yung check-in namin sa hotel, 1. And it's only 11:30.
12.
11:30. Oh, 12. Okay. 30 minutes ahead pala kami. Can I close this now?
Yeah, you can close it.
Sure. Wala akong makeup. Naiwan ko lahat ng makeup ko. Siguro meron akong lipstick dito sa bag ko, but it's okay. Pupunta lang naman kami sa market. I'm wearing this top na I got from Gear Best. Actually, kahapon ko lang siya na-receive. And then, flip-flops. So, yun. Doon na si Buddy Boy. Do you know where the market is? Can I go to the toilet?
Yeah.
Welcome to Melbourne, babe. Stop being a meanie. He is being a meanie to me today. On the way here. Very well, we're here. Lakad-lakad. Sabi ni Dan, dalhin ko daw yung jacket ko. Kaya lang mabigat yung jacket ko eh. Sila naka-jacket. Oh, that's from Gear Best as well. Looks good vibe. Four-minute walk from here. Of course, from here. Chine-check na Dan yung market. Malapit lang daw. Is it open now?
Of course it's open now.
Okay.
We were walking that way.
Dito kami naglalakad-lakad. Naglalakad-lakad kami dito. The market is right there. It's called Queen Victoria Market. May truck na harang. Right there, market. It's an indoor one.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. I want those. Which babe? Oh. What is that?
The power girl wasn't so ugly.
Ah. Ang OA, mahal ng mga ano dito. I was looking at a phone case. Tag $30. Tapos sa eBay, mabibili ko lang yung 5. Tapos free shipping pa. Pikachu! Oh, wigs. Oh, we have plenty. We're here sa magnets. I'm gonna get a magnet. The Melbourne magnet. The Melbourne magnet. Let's get something like not colorful. Because I know you like that. Do you like it? Ito yung binili ko. $3. Ano siya? $3. Tapos, kapag bumili ka ng 5, tempting yung 5. Kaya lang, ano naman gagawin ko sa 5? Can you put it in my bag, please? Thank you. Laki ng market dito. Oh, sorry. Hello, babe. This is the same as my jacket. Look at this. Yan yung jacket ko. Binili ko yung aking sa Big W. How much is this one?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right? It's the same. Mga cacti. Gusto to ni Dan. Do you want this? It's cheap. Oh, that's cute, babe. With that. Oh, look at this, babe. Kakain kami. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan. What do you feel like eating?
Sausage.
Ooh, yum. We got this. Ano siya? There, oh. Galing dun. Alis na kami dito. Punta kami ng Sephora. Meron akong gift card sa Sephora na gusto ko i-spend kasi hindi ko siya magamit online. I think I already mentioned that. But yeah, I have a gift card. We'll go to Sephora and then we'll go to Target after. I see it.
Where?
That's Sephora. Oh, right there, easy. Yeah. Yeah, right? It's big. Wow. Where's Telstra? Oh, cool. Let's go to Sephora. Dito ako sa Tarte. I'm looking for the Shape Tape Concealer. I don't see it. Let's go on the other side. Dito ako sa Estee Lauder. Na-try ko yung ano nila foundation. Double wear. Titingnan ko yung shade ko. Daming tao dito guys. Tingnan niyo. Wow. It's alright. Yung shade ko sa Estee Lauder is Shell Beige. Ito. Pabalik na kami sa car park. Kukunin namin yung gamit namin doon. Tapos, pupunta kami sa hotel. Mag-check-in kami. Nakakainis kasi nawala. I mean, hindi ko nadala lahat ng makeup ko. Nakakainis. Hindi ko na kailangan ng bagong makeup. Napabili tuloy. Pwede. And I have on my face Marc Jacobs. And then, Estee Lauder na foundation. Punta na kami ng hotel. May, magsasalita mamaya. Hello! Tira niyo. Kinausap siya ni Dan kanina. Kanina kinausap siya ni Dan. Sabi ni Dan, hello. Who's a stoopy? Sabi ni Dan, hello. Nag-hello. Let's go walk. Right here. Wow. Nandito kami sa... What? Okay. I'll get the garlic ramen. I think I will die if I drink some. Itatry ko to guys. Ano daw siya? Japanese lemonade. Ganyan. Yeah, it is. I need to figure out how to open it. Thank you. I'll just, okay. Look at this, you guys. I got the garlic seal, and then Dan got shoyo.
How would you do? Mix it?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, it looks so good. Yum. Yung egg, oh, perfect. Get this as well. Gyoza. Okay, wait. Good luck, hindi ako marunong mag-chocolate. Yum.
Maybe put this in here.
Hello, nandito kami sa tram. Maghihintay kami ng tram, pupunta kami dun sa festival. What was it called?
Moomba?
Mumbai? Yeah.
Moomba.
Mumba. He's wearing the Panda Cribs jumper. Oh, you look good, babe. Wow. Hinihintay namin yung tram. We're here. Oh, you look good. Free lang yung tram nila within the city. Hindi pa ako nakatry ng tram sa Adelaide. Ito lang first. Iniwan namin yung sasakyan niya sa parking kasi hindi namin alam kung saan pupunta. So much better na maglakad or mag-tram. Right, babe?
Sorry?
We left the car in the parking. Oh my gosh, there's so many cool cars here. We left the car in the parking.
We should get up here, babe.
Right here?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Dito na kami sa Mumba Festival. So they have here first aid, lost children, good. And then may mga rides sila doon.
$10 a bucket. One thing on the way.
Ooh, oh, I thought someone won. So dapat ma-shoot mo siya. And isa, makakaano ka ng sobrang laking stuffed toy. Look at the stuffed toy. Ang hirap. Wala pang nananalo.
Give you the information that you need to know, but I would have thought that the starting rope length would be 14.25 metres in length. The boat speed, the Nautique 200, would be running at 58 kilometres per hour.
Hi, babe. You look good, babe. I look really chaka.
Down there, Sammy? Alright, who wants to give me some money? There we go, jump on in there, guys. $6 each there, guys. You're in perfect time right now. Alrighty there, players. Alrighty there, racing. Who's the next one? You're going $6 each, $6 away. And they're off and they're racing. They're slipping and sliding. They're non-stop the top. Who's going to take this one away? Everybody's racing neck and neck. Oh, and the winner of this one is number 11. Put your hand up, number 11.